Jamaica opens its skies. How new airline routes are transforming travel and real estate. By Jamaica Homes. Published on August 21st, 2025. I arrive with a sense of anticipation. Jamaica is not just an island of turquoise seas and sun-drenched hills. It is a place of opportunity, where each flight that touches down carries not only passengers, but potential. The air above Montego Bay, Kingston, and Ocho Rios is humming with a new rhythm, and it is a rhythm that investors should listen to. Airlines are not moving on a whim. Every new route, every additional flight, is a response to a subtle yet insistent signal. Travelers want ease, speed, and choice. This winter, Jamaica's gateways are set to welcome more planes, more passengers, and inevitably, more nights spent in villas, hotels, and rental properties. Montego Bay is anticipating an 8.5% increase in departures. Ocho Rios will see a 37% surge in seat capacity. Each seat, each journey, is a ripple that spreads far beyond the airport. From the U.S. East Coast, Baltimore and Fort Lauderdale flights make Jamaica more accessible than ever. Families seeking sun-drenched escapes, diaspora returnees longing for connection, and couples chasing a weekend of romance, all can now plan their trips with less stress and more flexibility. For real estate investors, this accessibility is more than convenience. It is a signal. Properties near these airports, resorts, and emerging hotspots are poised to see higher demand, better occupancy rates, and, ultimately, stronger returns. Connectivity does not stop at the Caribbean. European travelers can now arrive with minimal fuss via Barbados-Amsterdam link, while Mexico and the Dominican Republic demonstrate the value of targeted routes in spreading demand and stabilizing prices. The lesson is clear. Places that are easier to reach attract more visitors for longer stays with a willingness to spend. Investors attuned to these shifts can harness the flow of tourism into tangible growth. As flights land and leave on time, hotels fill, restaurants thrive, and local communities benefit. For anyone watching the patterns, the signs are unmistakable. Air connectivity transforms landscapes. A villa near Montego Bay becomes more than a home. It becomes a sought-after rental, a place where visitors can pause, relax, and create memories. A condo in Kingston evolves from an address into a destination. The next 6 months will tell a story written in occupancy rates, load factors, and average daily rates. For investors, these metrics are more than numbers. They are the pulse of opportunity. Locations once considered secondary are now stepping into the spotlight, waiting for those who can see beyond the immediate horizon. And so, as Jamaica opens its skies, it opens possibilities. Flights are more than journeys, they are invitations. For travelers, they promise convenience and choice. For investors, they whisper of potential and growth. The message is simple: with the right timing and the right location, opportunity is landing every day on Jamaican soil.